OptoFitting is an application for measuring individual parameters of the face and progressive, bifocals, and single vision glasses and can be used on various iOS and Android devices. To capture a clear picture of the eyes, if possible, remove the demo lens from the frame. The frame is placed in the right place by the patient himself with our guidance, then the measuring device is placed correctly on the frame. During the shooting phase, the patient should look directly at the camera. Adjust the distance, and hold the tablet at the height of the patient's face in a completely vertical position, and once the red ball turns green, we can capture the photo. We ask the patient to rotate 90 degrees to the left in the same position to capture the profile picture. Then hit the next button to enter the front page. We place the boxing system in the order you see on the edges of the frame, and we also adjust the centers of the eyes. If necessary, the effective diameter is adjusted for both eyes to determine the smallest lens size required. Now go to the side screen and place the corneal marker on its surface. Then place the next marker exactly on the outer edge of the frame. We go to the results page. You see the spectacle design diagram. You see the results. If necessary, we can enter the prescription in the order you see. Enter other parameters such as corridor length and the lens type if necessary. Finally, we save the file by entering the patient details. If you need to change the values, hit the Edit button, and after the changes, we will save the information again. Finally, we can send the results page directly to the lens manufacturer or laboratory. In addition, we can print the results and present them to the patient. In the patient records section, the records of all the patients that we have previously saved are available and can be viewed if required. In the settings section, we can change the program's defaults. It is recommended that the face detection option be enabled. If there is a flash on the device, select the corneal reflex option. Otherwise, select the corneal center option. We also select the default progressive or single vision. In the profile photo, the outer edge of the frame should be completely visible and care should be taken not to mistake the outer edge with the inner edge of the frame. If the photo is far or small, we can resize it with the crop option. If the red cross indicators are not placed correctly on the relevant sensors, we can go to the edit mode on the screen, and after placing the indicator in the correct place, we can return to the previous state with a triple tap. If we use a mobile phone instead of a tablet, it is enough to scroll the pages if necessary.